Welcome, 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 Loc Pros. This is your Loc Pro coach, Sherri V. And today in this video, we will be doing instant locks. Let's begin by sectioning off the hair for the size locks that we are looking to achieve. We're going to use the crochet method, which can be used on coarse, curly, or straight hair. Using your 3-head crochet needle, I'm gently pulling the hair from the outsides to the middle of the lock. If you notice, my hands are guiding up and down so I can feel the hair coming in from each side of the lock. Now you want to do this going up and down, and you want to repeat it until you feel the lock and the hair tightening up and forming into the middle from the roots to the tips. Flip the lock over and repeat the same process, gently using your crochet needle to bring the hair from the outside to the inside of the lock. Remember, use your hands as a guide to feel the hair. Once you get to the ends, round them and wrap the loose hair back up the locks. I like to take the ends and crochet them back into the middle of the lock for extra security. By now, you should be getting the hang of it. Your locks should look something similar to this, where they are not completely formed, but they are tight enough to where you can move on to the next section. These crochet needles can be found on Amazon from $10 to $14 depending on the vendor. As you're parting your sections, make sure you're teasing and back combing the hair. It makes the crocheting process a lot easier than having straight hair. These are the loose ends I was telling you about. Whenever you're doing instant locks, please make sure that you have rounded ends so when the hair locks within 3 to 6 months, you'll have perfectly rounded ends. Fold the hair up and continue to crochet the hair to the middle of the locks. Now that you're done, your locks should look something like this. They should be formed, but not perfect. They will still feel soft. And after this, you will go ahead and continue with your maintenance as usual. Instant Locs just gives your client the look of locks while they're going through the initial stage. Remember, the hair still has to go through the budding stage, also has to go through the maturing stage of 3 to 6 months of locking. I chose to do a classic lock starter style, 4-barrel braids to the back, bund and sewed at the bottom. You are more than welcome to style your client's hair as you wish, but remember, you want to make sure your clients will not be able to touch their hair, take it out, and to make sure that it is secure enough while it is going through the locking process. All product shoes will be in the description below under the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I am your Lock Pro coach, Sherri V.